Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Deck Beauty. Today I want to show you how to create V for front. This V for front, we normally do it for celebrants. Just see the way I start my pretty. How you can achieve V. What is V? So see one part, I am just creating the pleaty. See the way I create the pleaty, and I will cover one part of the ear. I cover the ear on this side. And if you know you are going to bring out the hair out, just reserve some material to cover the back side. So the measurement of this style is 40-60. So don't forget, when you divide it, when you divide your fabric, make sure the shorter part is the 40 that you use to cover the first part of this side of the ear. Make sure when you divide it, the shorter part, which is the 40, because the measurement is 40-60. So you use the 40 to create that pleaty and cover one part of the ear. The longer side is the 60. Then now, when you get to the back side, you cross it. Make sure the 40 is on top of the cross it at the back. The shorter one, which is the 40, go up. The longer one, go down. Okay, as you can see, my customer is holding the shorter one because I already crossed it at the back. So right now, I open the one part of the ear during the crossing. Now, we are now going to use the shorter one, which is coming from the other side to this side. Now, we are going to use it to cover this part of the ear and create that V. Okay, I don't know if you understand. You start from the beginning, you cover one ear, you open the other ear, then you cross at the back, you use the shorter one to cover this part, this ear part that opened before, use the shorter one to cover this part. With that, as you can see, we already create the V at the front. This V is very unique, especially if you are the celebrant or you want to have your photo shoot. So this is how we normally create V. Divide it 40-60. The shorter one, which is the 40, use it to cover the this part of the ear. That is it, my people. So by the time you manage to create your V, the longer one, which is the 60, you cannot use that long one to this 60, this one that is with me now, you cannot use it to create any style on top. Like if you like to do round, you like to do fan, any style at all, Rufus, any style, you cannot decide what style you want to use this one to achieve. So the main reason of this video, I just say let me show you how to create V. I hope you learn one or two things. Thank you. See you on my next video. In case you want to see more video, I have more than 700 videos on my YouTube channel, Deck Beauty. Thank you. Contact me for your event. Follow my Instagram if you want to see all my job, Deck Beauty. We are into many in one beauty. We do makeup, we do gele, we do traditional bridal hair, okuku, all the latest one. We are into latest. Oh, thank you. My number is always on my video. During the last part, yes, we do photo shoot as well. We sell perfume, we sell makeup product. Contact me. I'm available to travel. See you on my next video. Bye bye.